Guys, I'm Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video I am going to do a first time try of the magnetic lashes that I recently bought in from Amazon. And yes, if you have not checked my Amazon haul yet, then I'm going to link it up here and even in the description box below, so you can just go and check that out. And yes, I'm going to try these lashes for the first time with you guys itself over here. And actually I bought these lashes because I was getting a steal deal kind of a thing, so I thought that this is something which I should have it and should try it. And so I bought them, and I thought of, if I have bought it, so I must you know, share with you guys as well. So if you like it, you can buy it. If you don't like it, then just leave it. So now without any further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So these are the lashes that I bought from Amazon. It's from the brand Calailis, and you can see I have got 5 pairs of these lashes. I can see that there are 2 natural looking lashes and 3 dramatic looking lashes. Of course, I have opened it to check and sanitize the particular product. And if you see, we get the packaging something like this. We have 5 different lashes. This one and this one are the natural looking lashes, and these are the 2 liquid magnetic eyeliners that we get with this pack. Also, it comes along also with this tweezers, which, you know, it becomes easy for us to apply the lashes and to take off the lashes. I haven't used them ever in my life, so this is also going to be the first time use of me right in front of you guys. So yes, I think I should go with the dramatic lashes, I guess, so which I'm famous for. I love dramatic stuffs, so I'm going to use this one. Also, they have given the instructions behind this particular packaging, so I'm going to follow the instructions given here. And this is the style number CY502. Sorry, I'm sweating like a pig because it's so hot here in Mumbai, and I am sitting with no fan and no AC because it gives too much dramatic sounds in the video. I know that you may not like the dramatic sounds, so yes, cut that crap. And now let's just get started. And let me tell you the price as well. So I got this one for $7.29. The actual price even written on the packaging was 1539 rupees, that is 1539 rupees, and I saved 810 rupees, and I'm getting 5 lashes, not at all bad. I'm getting 2 liners, which is again not bad. Liners are always welcome, and along with the tweezer, so it's not a bad deal. Okay, so I'm gonna use these tweezers to remove it. Let's see whether if okay, so now what I am going to do is, first I'm going to apply the liquid liner as it is mentioned here. So what they have written here, shake the magnetic liner bottle well, use the finishing powder before magnetic eyeliner, and keep skin dry. So I need to give some air to myself so that my skin is dry because it's pathetically hot here. So here both the side eyeliner is done, and I must say it's quite sticky, so that the lashes can stick onto it. Once it's dried, I am pretty sure that it may turn out to be less sticky. Let's just try that thing together. Now what we have to do is apply eyeliner, that we already did. Then third one is, okay, so they have asked to wait for 1 minute till the eyeliner dries out. And then the third step is to find the correct position. Firstly, start from the eyeliner corner, allow the lashes to adhere to the magnetic eyeliner, then gently do the middle and to the end. Okay, so here the applicator is. I'm going to pull 1 lashes like this. Wait, let me show it to you. I took it like this. This is my first time using these tweezers as well, so I'm a little nervous and a little freaked out because they kind of give me a little cringe feeling, maybe. I don't know. Is it with you guys as well? Now let me bring you guys more closer to me. I think the liner is dried. Okay, so now they have asked, okay, you can see that there's this magnetic thing on the inner side. So they have the magnet like this on this particular lash, and now what we need to do is simply apply. Okay, okay, okay. Oops, it's done. It's done. Wow, I mean, this is amazing. And it's not even messy like the other things. Let me check the... okay, I'll just do the other eye as well. Okay, so here the lashes are, and it's completely done. I am literally liking this particular product. And now is the review or the feedback time for this product, so let's dive into it. Okay, so first we start with the good points of this product. So the best thing that I liked about this product was that it comes with so many different variants of lashes, and it's very easy to apply. Also, the glue that we have is in the form of eyeliner, which again makes it so easy for us to apply it all over our eyelids evenly, and we don't have to do 2-3 coats of it. It's just like simply applying the eyeliner, and that's it. Once it's dried, it's not even that stickier. Also, it's very easy to apply the eyelashes on top of it. Okay, and now let's just talk about the bads, maybe. I don't know, like maybe the cons of this particular product. Yeah, that sounds better. So the cons would be like, क्योंकि जितना easily ये apply होता है उतना ही easy से ये निकल भी जाता है. So थोड़ी जोर से हवा आई या कुछ हुआ तो I think that this can come out. So yeah, this is the only con which I feel of this product is, and it can be one of the major con as well. But yes, if you guys are, you know, doing a photo shoot or going for some small events and it's not going to consume like too much of time, or if you're at home and you want to get dressed up and do makeup and just click pictures, I think that this is the wonderful product because it makes life very easier for us to just apply the liner and apply the lashes, so no doing liners again. So yes, by this we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you really did, please do not forget to give the thumbs up button down, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please support for me as well to grow on this platform. And yes, I'll keep coming up with videos like this, and yes, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next. Until then, bye beauty.